on the front. There is a speed bump on the front. This is a child-protected area. Slow down less than 30 kilometers.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.